At least 2 members of the Council of the Aquatic Sports Association of Jamaica, ASAJ, have objected to the sanction handed down to Kaizen Swim Club head coach Rory Alvaranga. As we'll hear in this TVJ Sports follow-up, one source close to the matter is raising questions about the constitutionality of the appeal process.
TVJ Sports reported on Saturday that the Council of the Aquatic Sports Association of Jamaica, ASAJ, voted to uphold the recommendation of a 3-member disciplinary committee for a 10-year ban for Kaizen Swim Club coach Rory Alvaranga at its most recent meeting last Wednesday. This after Alvaranga, through his lawyer Tanania Small Davis KC, appealed the recommendation to council. It follows a hearing into a physical altercation involving Alvaranga, which took place at the YMCA pool last year. But one TVJ Sports source says the proceedings did not follow local aquatic sports governing body's constitution. According to the ASAJ's Articles of Association, Section 65, under Right of Appeal, council shall have the power to uphold, vary or reverse the decision. But TVJ Sports understands that the members of the council were not given the option of varying the decision in last Wednesday's council meeting, but were rather given ballots with yes or no options. It's understood that 68% voted in favor of the ban and 32% were against. In an email seen by TVJ Sports dated June 14, 2023, Kaizen Swim Club, a member of the council, wrote to ASAJ Secretary Shona Jackson objecting to any substantive hearing or discussion on the matter at its council meeting. It says its grounds for objection included the fact that neither Alvaranga nor his counsel was invited to any hearing of the appeal which was filed. Kaizen also said that it was highly irregular and tantamount to trial by ambush to disseminate, on the morning of a hearing, an agenda which suggests that an appeal is to be heard on that same day, ex parte, that is, without the appellant Alvaranga and his counsel. It is further understood that 2 council members wrote to the ASAJ secretary objecting to the recommendation of a 10-year sanction for Alvaranga before last Wednesday's council meeting. A letter dated June 5 from one club called the sanction heavy-handed, recommended a review of the punishment and suggested counselling or fines. In another email dated June 7, one club said it would be a great disservice to Jamaica's swimming if they accepted the recommendation while having the power to do otherwise. The letter further pointed out that the council members were not consulted on the proposal for a lifetime ban for Alvaranga before that proposal was made to the disciplinary committee. TVJ Sports understands that Alvaranga is yet to be formally notified of the suspension. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.